Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the MONDAL Gold Hacking System. This is Mr. MONDAL, the Gold Hacker. This is MONDAL Gold HEDGE 5.1. We first phase 1 MYFOREXFUND challenge, as you see here, and you can pass 1 or 2 week of time. This is fully automated EA, as you see here. MONDAL Gold HEDGE 5.1, fully automatic. We target hit $8,000. So let's see on email. This is April 19. Yesterday night, 12 hours ago, they sent me the email. You can check date and time. They sent me the email. Congratulations, Mr. Monamandal. You have passed the first phase of your evaluation in order to receive phase 2 account details. Good luck. So this was I received 12 hours ago. Very nice. I am super happy. And let's see the page. You can refresh it for your confirmation if you have any doubt. So last 7 days remaining, and this is my account, my name. You can check here, and account status is passed. Very nice graph, no big drawdown. This is MONDAL Gold HEDGE V5.1, $8,000 target done. And you can check the notification also, the date and time, the past profit target reached. So I am super happy. This year you can use semi-automatic and fully automatic, very limited license. I don't sell any EA. I can rent you. Okay, so super happy to passing phase 1. And for free signal you can go this channel, MONDAL Gold Hacking System daily 1% challenge. This is my link, online money 99. Okay, so you can join here. You can check each and everything, every update, gold sale, gold buy, free signal, free course, free tools, everything you can see here. You can check the drawdown is very less, 0.32%. This is MONDAL Gold HEDGE V5.1. This EA buy and sell in both sides in the same time. So you can see all updates here, every day's profit loss and every day's analysis. I hope all are enjoying this video. So we first the phase 1, and now we upgrade, and for phase 2 let's see what happened. Very nice. So we upgrade it. Now we the email we received very soon for phase 2, I think. Yeah, this is 0 minute ago. So after upgrade me the account details, I can't show you this limit, this account details. Actually, the conversation again, passing evaluation phase 1. We wish to wish you very best in your phase 2, on your path of becoming part of my personal life trader family. Always remember, the sky is the limit. So very nice, very nice, very nice. Please download the platform account details. I can show you the account details. So this is very happy moment. We got phase 2. I hope all are enjoying this video. So my contact number is my contact email is mymoney1578@gmail.com. You can contact with this email. Okay, I can help you to manage your real fund and help you to pass your prop fund, and also provide course, also provide signals. As you want, you can mail me, I reply you. Thank you so much.